Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Kombi is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Any faults found are fixed with genuine Volkswagen approved parts. And now for a walk around the Kombi. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Kombi again, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this Kombi are heated and power folding. This would be a great advantage leaving the van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. To this side, you will notice a manual sliding door with privacy glass. Also in the privacy glass, you will notice a side opening window. This is ideal for extra ventilation for your rear passengers. Moving into the rear cab, you will notice three comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points on both outer seats. This is ideal for the correct child seat. Here we have a side opening window for extra ventilation for your rear passengers. It's also fitted with a bulkhead to the back of the rear seats with a window. This is ideal for the driver. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear window and a rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors and a bumper edge protector. You'll also notice to the back of the Kombi is fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also see a transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear tailgate. Moving into the back of the load area, you will notice there's plenty of space for your passenger and driver's luggage. On both sides, you will notice factory fitted panelling. Across the floor, it's also fitted with load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. This Kombi is fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. This van is also painted in candy white, which is a solid colour. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrap steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is also fitted with 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. The driver and passenger seats also have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will see the automatic headlamp switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control switch. This Kombi has covered 13,235 miles. Using the multimedia switches, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My 2 favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a rear view camera. It's also fitted with park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. Here we have a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the vehicle. You could also ask a salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options on offer. And thank you for watching.